In England, a thief entered into the palace of Queen Elizabeth. The thief entered into the bedroom of the Queen in the morning around 4 a.m. When the thief entered into the room, the Queen traced somebody's presence in the room. Suddenly, the Queen switched on all the lights in the room. The thief was frightened. The Queen welcomed the thief. Good morning. With a shivering body, the thief responded. Then Queen asked the thief, "Be seated." Then Queen said, "What do you want? Coffee or tea?" With the shivering words, the thief said, coffee. Then the Queen pressed one of the buttons in the room as if to order for the coffee. The Queen said, "Wait, the coffee will come soon." Within minutes, the bodyguards and the security guards of the Queen rushed into the room and caught hold of the thief. The Queen then said, "Before take him to the jail, please give him a cup of coffee because I had promised him." My dear friends, if a thief enters your house, what will you do? He cannot escape as Queen Elizabeth escaped because you don't have the bodyguards or security guards. In any case, never try to face the thief because your life will be in danger. Once you recognize the thief, it is very dangerous because he will do anything to see that he is not caught. So, what you can do is, first, think that your valuables in the house is not more important than your life. Let the thief take away whatever he wants. And before that, is it not better to take precautions? For that, you think of security of your house. The security of your house should not be like an egg, but it should be like an onion. That means layered security, multiple security. Have a CCTV camera, it is not that much costly, and write a board that there is you are under camera watching. It is not necessary that it is original. A fake will do and a writing will do. Then dog. The thief does not like the barking of a dog. And the major reason why the thief enter the house is from the front door and the back door. So make it secure, safe by good locks. Always have an additional grill door. In the back door it is very easy. Without sacrificing the aesthetics or the beauty of the house, we can have an additional grill door towards the outside. The front door also, do it if possible, or at least have 2-3 iron bars behind the main door. And also make the windows safe. Close all the windows that are not required. Also, selection of the grill is very important. If it is in only one direction, the bars are only one direction, it is very easy to bend and enter. Always should be in two directions, the grill or the bars. Then always, if you go out for a few days, don't allow the newspapers to accumulate in your gate, because it is a clear warning to the thief. Also, have a good safe, a very heavy safe. It has to be heavier than a thief to carry it himself. Also, place the safe in such a position that he will least expect the safe. It can be under the cot or deep inside the cupboard, like that. And light in the courtyard is very useful, because the thief does not like to be seen, and hiding places you have to avoid near to your house, in your courtyard. So, if you take little precautions, you can avoid theft in your house.